This instructional video will show you how to use the discount directory within the Hotels Etc. members area. Once you're logged into the members area, if you click on, let's say, attractions, you will be redirected to the discount directory. The discount directory allows you to search by category, country, or name search, and by city and zip. So in this particular example here, let's go ahead and look up, let's say, movie theater tickets. We hit select, and this is going to give you the list of movie theaters that are offering discounts within our program. So if you wanted a discount at AMC Theaters, you click on that. This information will tell you more about the discount or the company, and this will tell you how to access the discount. In this particular situation, it just says click on the orange button. Once you click on the orange button, you will go to another page that's even loaded with more discounts. This allows you to purchase that discounted ticket or movie theater ticket directly through the system. For example, right here, save over 30%, over 40%. Now, there are other parts of the discount directory that will have you call a company directly or deal with a company directly. For example, let's say if we go to the hotel directory, we go to worldwide chains. So let's say the Cambria Suites right here is 20% off. We're going to click on it. It's going to give us instructions on how to get that discount. So you have to copy that code and visit the website. Now you're going to go directly to Cambria Suites. You just fill out the information for your reservation and enter the discount code upon checking out to get your additional discount. The discount directory, basically, we allow companies from all over the globe to enter the directory as long as they're giving our members a discount that is not available to the general public. If you are running through the system and you happen to run into a black box, then that will also be the discount directory, and it would state so right in the box. That is how you use the discount directory.